Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll talk about UPI, Unified Payment Interface. UPI has completed 10 years, crossed record breaking transaction volumes, expanded globally, and now security rules are becoming even stricter with mandatory two factor authentication. In this video, we will also understand how UPI became the world's biggest real time payment system, what new records it created in 2026, how it is expanding internationally, and what the new RBI security rules mean for users. So, watch this video till the end. First of all, what is UPI? UPI stands for Unified Payments Interface. It was launched in 2016 by the National Payment Corporation of India, commonly known as NPCI. UPI allows instant money transfer directly from one bank account to another using a mobile phone. You can send or receive money anytime, anywhere within seconds. On April 11, 2026, UPI completed 10 years of operations since its launch in 2016. In just one decade, UPI transformed India into one of the world's leading digital payment economies. Today, even small roadside shops, vegetable vendors, tea stalls, and local markets accept UPI payments. UPI now processes nearly 49% of all global real time digital payment volumes. That means almost half of the world's instant digital payment transactions happen through India's UPI ecosystem. Now I'll discuss about its dominance in India's digital payments. UPI now holds approximately 85% market share in India's domestic digital payments during financial year 2025-26. This shows that UPI has become the primary payment method for millions of Indians. People are increasingly moving away from cash transactions and adopting digital payments because of speed, convenience, and low cost. One important term mentioned in the report is 703 live onboarded banks as of March 2026. So, what does this actually mean? Let's understand this in a very simple language. Whenever a bank joins the UPI system and starts offering UPI services to customers, it is called onboarding. But the term live onboarded means those banks are not just registered, they are actively connected and functioning on the UPI network. This means customers of those banks can actively use UPI services such as sending money, receiving money, QR code payments, merchant payments, balance checks, autopay features, and other digital banking services. So, as of March 2026, a total of 703 banks were actively operating on the UPI platform. This is a massive number because it includes public sector banks, private banks, small finance banks, RRBs, cooperative banks, and payment banks. The higher the number of onboarded banks, the larger and stronger the UPI ecosystem becomes. Now it's record breaking transaction volumes. March 2026 became the highest ever month for UPI transactions. UPI processed 22.64 billion transactions in a single month, and the total transaction value reached 29.53 lakh crore rupees. This is an all time record. Now I'll discuss about April performance. In April 2026, UPI maintained its strong momentum. It processed 22.35 billion transactions, and transaction volume recorded nearly 25% year on year growth. That means UPI usage is still rapidly increasing. During the full financial year 2025-26, UPI processed approximately 24,162 crore transactions, and the aggregate transaction value reached an enormous 314 lakh crore rupees. These figures clearly show the scale of India's digital economy. Now, I'll discuss about international expansion of UPI. UPI is no longer limited to India. It is now becoming a global payment network. In May 2026, an important announcement was made regarding Cyprus. UPI will become fully operational in Cyprus by 2027. This expansion is happening through a partnership between NPCI and Eurobank Cyprus. This will help Indian travelers, students, and businesses make easier digital payments in Cyprus. Vietnam is also working on integrating its national fast payment network with UPI. This means, in the future, cross border digital payments between India and Vietnam may become much smoother and faster. Countries linked with UPI. As of May 2026, UPI is operational or actively linked across 8 countries. These include France, United Arab Emirates, Singapore, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Mauritius, and Qatar. This global expansion strengthens India's digital and financial influence worldwide. Now, mandatory two factor authentication. Now, let's discuss the major security update. From April 1, 2026, Reserve Bank of India implemented mandatory two factor authentication, also known as 2FA, for digital retail payments. Now, the very first question is, why was 2FA introduced? The main purpose is to reduce cyber fraud and improve payment security. As digital transactions increase, online fraud attempts are also rising. So RBI introduced stronger verification systems to protect users. How does 2FA work? Under two-factor authentication, every high-value transaction requires multiple layer of verification. First factor is device or mobile number linking. This confirms that the payment request is coming from the registered user device. Second factor is UPI PIN, biometric verification like fingerprint or face scan, or secure authentication tokens. This additional layer makes unauthorized access much more difficult. Now, objective of 2FA. The overall objective is to strengthen digital payment security, protect user accounts, prevent unauthorized transactions, and build trust in India's digital payment ecosystem. So, from completing 10 years to becoming a global payment leader, UPI has completely transformed the way India makes payments. With record transaction volumes, expanding international presence, hundreds of connected banks, and stronger security systems, UPI is entering a new phase of global digital leadership. If you found this video informative, then like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more updates on economy, banking, technology, and current affairs. Thanks for watching. This is me, Muskan Tyagi, signing off.